Hello everyone. We are looking at determinant chapter phase 5 exercise 2 from a package and we are at question number 4. Alright. So the question is about finding the area of a triangle where the vertices are given to us and the value of area is also given and find the value of an unknown quantity. So basically this is based on the property of determinant. We can find uses of determinant, application of determinant. So if the vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3, then the area of a triangle is given to us by determinant value of half x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. So we may be knowing this formula, but the one thing that we must remember about this formula is area is always a mod value of whatever the determinant value is. So area is a mod value, meaning it can be that if you find the determinant by just putting the vertices, we can get negative. But the area, since it is a positive quantity, we always report it as positive. So we plug it back here. The question is again half k1 0 and 1 3 k1 0 0 1 3 okay 0 1 3. So I have written the x and y coordinates and 1 1 1. This is the value. This will give us the value of the area. But remember this, it is giving us the mod value. That means if we had found it by this, the determinant could have come as plus minus 5. So this is an important thing that we must always remember, that whenever we have to write it in the determinant form, we must always write it because it could have been plus minus 5. So just going ahead with that, after that 2 ko udhar le ja, take it to that side. So k0, so k 1 minus 3 is minus 2 plus 1 into 3 is equal to plus minus 10. Plus minus 10. So minus 2k is equal to 10 minus 7. So either it is 7 or minus 13. So from here, we can find the value of k. That is fine, whatever we find. So k will be equal to minus 7 by 2 or 13 by 2. So always remember, when we apply this, we should put plus minus 5. It should give you two values of the unknown. Thank you.